So guys, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my page. Today, this afternoon, I am making egusi soup. Egusi, yeah. Hello sis, how are you? So you see, most of those egusi that they brought from Africa, some of them, look at, I'll just show you how I do my egusi. You understand? It's not everywhere. You just, any restaurant, any food vendor you see on social media, anything you see, you start ordering without even knowing how they prepare the food, how the food is being prepared. You understand? You have to watch very, very well the person that is preparing your food. First of all, you need to check that person out from head to toe. You know, as anya na-ebuzeli, ị ga-ebugodi ụzọ ruo onye ahụ anya from head to toe before give more than number one. Then you check the environment, and also I know say sometimes people they look very beautiful, but where they stay, it be like saying where pig they stay. But first, check first. And again, some of those food most of all those things we buy from here, you have to be very, very careful how you prepare them. You understand? Is it properly washed? Like, see now, this is the egusi. Look at this egusi that I'm going to prepare. I bought this from African shop. Yeah, but I have to wash it first. I make sure that I wash this egusi first, so before I will start blending it. I have to wash it. After washing it, you understand, then I will now blend it. And again, it's not encourageable to buy blended egusi from African shop, because most of them, they don't wash it. They will just blend everything together, you understand, and pack it. Then when you buy that already blended egusi, you end up eating rubbish. So I like buying my egusi like this. I like buying them like this. Then I use my hand and wash it properly. Wash it properly before I will blend it. Same like ogbono also. Yeah. So be mindful of what you eat and where you buy your food. Yes. So let's go blend this egusi. Guys, here I have my blended egusi. I have my onion, and I also have my blended tomato, fresh tomato. I like cooking my egusi with tomato. It brings that unique taste in the egusi. Okay, you can also use steamed tomato. Depends. This is my pattern of cooking egusi, and I love it so much. Hardly I go to any restaurant and request for egusi. You understand? Because if you don't cook egusi well, sorry, the taste won't be nice. So this is how I prepare my egusi. So now I'm going to fry the egusi with the chili and blended tomato and the egusi paste together. So I have to light up the gas. Make sure the pot is well dried before you can add your red oil. So after frying the onion for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, you now add your blended tomato. Immediately after, then you start adding your egusi paste, blended egusi paste. Then cover the pot to allow it to steam together. At this point, our egusi is perfectly cooked and fried. You see that natural lumps on it. Some people add I think egg to get these lumps, but this is the proper way to cook egusi, to form this natural lumps. You don't need to add any other thing. So at this point, I'll be adding meat, dry fish. If you have any other stockfish, you can add it together. You can also add, I've already added chili, you understand? You add crayfish, you add your seasoning and all the rest of it. So then you finally add your meat stock, make sure you don't put a lot of water, because egusi does not require a lot of water on it, you understand, so that your soup will not get too watery. Yeah, after adding all that, now cover your egusi, and you can also leave your pot open, because if you cover it, then the water from the vapor will also make your soup to be watery. So it's advisable you just leave the pot open, or you can also slightly cover half of it, okay? Then you see, so now I am adding the meat. So as for the protein, I'm using beef, shaki, cowhead, and pomo. After adding this, I'll be adding my dry fish and also stockfish together with crayfish and seasoning. So I'll still cover it to allow it steam for a while before I add the other ingredients. So I am adding the meat stock. Make sure you don't add too much water. I've added dry fish, crayfish, seasoning, salt. So still put some more. Then I'll let it steam. I'll allow it to cook properly before finally I can add the vegetable. As for the vegetable I'm using, I'll be using this pumpkin leaf, ugu leaf. You can also use bitter leaf. You can use any kind of vegetable you want. You can use spinach and other vegetable as well. So for this today, I'm using this pumpkin leaf. First of all, I have to slice it and wash it. Finally, we are adding our vegetable. And you see it? See how delicious the soup is. So time to taste. You know me now, I like to taste. I always like to taste. Let me know what I'm giving to my customers. Okay? So everything is blended together. So I'm turning up the gas. If you are here for the very first time, if you are watching my video for the very first time, please follow our page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you for watching. And if you are looking for where to get that delicious African meal, Nigerian meal, just chat us. Our number is on our page. We're on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. African Delight Delicacy. So if you want to come to our restaurant to dine in also, we allow that. You can also come. Yeah, you can also call us. We deliver wherever you are. Even outside KL, we can also deliver to you, okay? Even another state, we can also freeze your food, then deliver through courier services. Yeah, see you guys on the next video. Remain blessed.